Now there are some good questions. Suppose this is 105 multiplied by 95. We have to solve these type of the questions. The person who is making the question is always looking, this is 5 more, this is 5 less than 100. It means this is 100 plus 5 multiplied by 100 minus 5. A plus B, A minus B is the formula of A square minus B square. And A was this and B was this. So 105 square minus 95 square will be the answer. At this particular point, what can we understand is a phenomena is 100 plus 5, A plus B, A minus B, 100 square, A plus B plus 5 square. 100 ja 10,000 minus 25 means 9,000 and 975. This has become its final answer. So what else? 204 multiplied by 204. Suppose you get a question 204 multiplied by 204. What will happen for this? For such type of the questions, 204 can be written as 200 plus 4. 204 whole square. And 204 whole square means 200 plus 4 whole square. A plus B whole square means A plus B whole square means A square plus B square plus 2AB. A square plus B square plus 2AB. 2 to ja 4, 40, 16 plus 4 to ja 8 to ja 1600. From 16, 4, 16, 16 will become the answer. So this is also a simple question. Likewise, you can solve many of the questions. Now we will look for some different questions. Give me water. We will look ahead for some different questions. And those questions are: find the value of A square plus B square. Important question. Find A square plus B square. We have to find out this value when A plus B is equal to 7. A plus B, that is equal to 7. Its value is given as 7. And multiplication of AB, its value is given as 12. We have to solve it out. Now what happens? How we will solve it? We know a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now bring it here. A plus b whole square minus 2ab a square plus b square. This is it. This is it. A plus b given. A into b. This much. 12 given. 7 7 are 49 minus 24. How much? 7 4 5 4 2 2 is equal to a square plus b square. It turned into an answer. So like this, you can solve many of your questions. Sometimes the question may be in a different format, and those formats can be like this. Concentrate at a particular place on the square plus 1 upon x square. X is 1 upon x square and x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. Find its value. X to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. We have to find its value. And given that x plus 1 by x is equal to 4. This much is given, and we have to find both of these values. How we will solve? A very simple phenomena to solving these questions when this is the only value given over here. First, what can we do is x plus 1 upon x whole square is equal to x square plus 1 upon x square. A plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2. 2a, b cancel, so only 2 will be here. We have to find out this. Come over here. X plus 1 upon x whole square minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by. Its value is given 4 square minus 2. That is equal to 16 minus 240 is the answer for this. But what about this? Now see, x plus 1 upon x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 plus 2xy x square multiplied by 1 upon x square, cancel only 2. So its value we have taken here, x square plus 1 upon x square is equal to 14. 14 square minus 2 x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. How much this would be? 14, 14. 196 minus 2 x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. 194 is the answer. So answer turned into 194. This is again a simple question. You can find it out. Watch it. Now, another question which is equivalent to this. If a square plus 1 upon a square is equal to 11, question is like this. If a square plus 1 upon a square is given as 7. Find the value of a plus 1 upon a whole square. Find. This is easy, not that much tough, but maybe tough in some extent. A minus 1 upon a. Third, a square minus 1 upon a square. These three. If given this, then you have to find out this. How it would be. Now, first, what we have to do to solve it out. A plus 1 upon a whole square. A square plus 1 upon a square plus 2. We have to find it out this only this. This is given. 7 plus 2 is equal to 9. First answer. This is not that much difficult, but to find it out, what we have to do is equal to a minus 1 upon a whole square, a square plus b square minus 2a. A square plus 1 upon a square is given 7 minus 2, 5 for a minus 1 upon a under root of 5. This is solved. Now to find out a square minus 1 upon a square, that's this. A square minus b square is equal to a plus b multiplied by a minus b. A plus b, 9, a plus b, 9. Whole square value was 9. It means only a plus b will be. This is the value a plus 1 upon a whole square. So a plus 1 upon a would be under root of 9 means 3. So this is 3. A minus 1 upon a is equal to under root of 5. So the both will multiply. It will be 3 root 5. Both digits are different as they are multiplying. 3 root 5. Got it? Now I have to wash it again. Yes, thank you. Another question is, find the value of a square plus b square plus c square. It is asking a square, find the value of this when given a plus b plus c is equal to 13, ab plus bc plus ca, that is equal to 27. You know, now a plus b plus c whole square, a square plus b square plus c square plus 2 ab plus bc plus ca. Leave it here because we have to find it out. Bring it here. Whole square minus 2 ca. This is given. This is given 169 minus 54. 4, 5, 5, 1. 115 has become an answer. Now, these are some simple questions. Thank you. Save water for the nation. This is a very important question. Find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. If x plus 1 upon x is equal to minus 1, minus 1, x minus 1 upon x is equal to the root 5. This is it. This is given. This has to find out. So, to solve it, we have to put a question. X plus 1 upon x whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3 a plus b. This is it. Sorry. Place the value. It is, bring it here. This is plus, bring it here. Minus 3, odd number minus 1. This is the answer. 2 has come. First part. शुक्रिया.
आपको शुक्रिया ना बोलिए, आप हमें शर्मिंदा कर रहे हैं.
For second part, use the formula. This is it. Plus 4ab. We can rewrite it like this. So, for this is it. So square remove under root 9 plus minus 3 plus minus 3. Now we have used this form. This will be applied for this x cube 1 upon x cube. We can write it x plus 1 upon x whole cube minus 3 1 upon x. Three cube. $18. So one answer has become 18 whole value when x was equal to 3. Now, as the answer was plus minus 3, plus 3 here, now minus 3. We will put, what will happen? From here, not plus 3, minus 3 whole cube, minus 3, 3 0 19 minus 27, plus 9, minus of 18, when x was equal to minus 3. So, we have solved all the questions. Now the last part of this exercise. Good now. Give me some good. Now the next part. If ये कौन सी इंटरनेट से चल रहा होगा
ऊपर से
अभी भी? So I am going to show you some different questions. Find the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube. Find its value. And the given x minus 1 upon x is equal to 6. X plus 1 upon x is equal to under root 29. What will be happen? X cube minus 1 upon x cube is x plus 1 upon x whole square. Open it. Plus 3x minus 1 upon x. Sorry, whole cube. X plus 1 upon x whole cube plus 3x minus 1 upon x. We have reduced, added this, so we will find out this. What will happen? That again, as we want to know x minus 1, bring it here, or this is given x minus 1 upon x 6, 3, 6, 6 cube, 216 plus 18, 234. Answer. Second says x plus 1 upon x is given. So we know about the formula x minus 1 upon x whole cube or whole square. First, whole square is equal to x plus 1 upon x whole square. Reduce the extra value 4. What will happen now? X plus 1 upon x whole square, its whole square to 29, 25, and remove its square, it will become under root 25. When under root is solved, either plus or minus 5 may be the answer. Now, if plus 5 is the answer, if minus 5 is the answer, we will take both of these under consideration. First, we have to put plus 5 and then minus 5. So, how we will write it? First, x cube, find the value of x cube minus 1 upon x cube. For this, what we have to use? X minus 1 upon x whole cube plus 3 x minus 1 upon x. For both these values, the same formula will be used. Once we will add plus 5, means plus 5 whole cube, plus 3 into 5, 125 plus 15, 25, 15, 30, 40, 140, plus 140, when the plus 5 is used, now use minus 5 whole cube plus 3 minus 5 minus 125 minus 15, again 140, but it's minus 140. Like this, you have seen different type of the values can be easily find out. Now, three questions and the chapter I will finish, and today's lecture too. After three questions, so it's too hot today here, and
We don't have any fan, cooler, or AC.
we don't have any fan or cooler or AC.
And not even
Only the
room.
natural air is coming
And
inside,
not even the
and the room is very hot.
surveying and
Anyway, if but maths is maths, find out इसमें. If a plus b plus c, दूसरा ले लो कोई
is
पेन मार्कर दे दो कोई.
is
चलता है. पानी मारो इसके आगे. यहाँ रख दो पानी. बस ठीक है. A plus b plus c is equal to 0, so that a cube plus b cube show. You have to show this important question. Given a plus b plus c is equal to 0, bring c here. A plus b is equal to minus c. Okay. As you have to bring cube both sides. Minus c. Cube everything. This will become a plus b whole cube. A cube plus b cube plus 3ab is equal to minus c thrice minus c cube. Okay. Now, as we know, the value of one thing is a plus b is equal to minus c. Okay. What will happen? Put a plus b value minus c here. 3ab minus c cube. This is converted. Rearrange. This is happened. So show we have seen इस कारी मारो इसने. हमको नहीं, इसको मारो. Why they are fighting?
I don't know.
It's very bad.
सात नौ का खेल है.
Find the value of 55 cube minus 25 cube minus 30 cube. Find its value. A, B, C. Okay. Now 30, 20, 55. So A minus B minus C will be A plus B plus C. Is equal to 55 into 25, 0, 5, and today's last question, x cube plus y cube plus z cube, y upon xy, y plus z whole is that x, find its value, x, y, z.